Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. You don't need a huge workshop or expensive tool to start, just a few basic cuts and a little creativity can turn those small pieces into desirable, high value items that people love to buy. This is about working smarter, not harder, and turning trash into cash. We are going to show you a simple few scrapwood projects that can build a great side business. Our first category is personalized kitchen, where these items are always in high demand because they make great gifts. First up, engraved cutting boards and serving trays. You can use small, beautiful hardware offcuts like walnut or maple to make unique, smaller appetizer or cheese port. People pay a premium for quality, high quality wood and a custom touch. The big idea: find interesting wood grain, then use a simple stencil, wood burner, or even an affordable engraving machine to add names, dates, or funny quotes. It's functional, decorative, and personal. A simple board might fail for, but in a custom engrave, it easily jump to a more simple focus on words like family, gather, or eat drinks, be mere, and other faster sailor, wooden coasters, small squares of contrasting wood glued together, sanded, and finished are a perfect scrap buster. Sell them in sets of four or six. Mix light and a dark wood for a cool modern look. A set take almost no material. Let's look at Center home decor. Home design trends create constant demands for unique items. One of the easiest, most profitable project is scrap wood wall art. This is great for oddly shaped pieces. Cut your scraps into small, constant geometric shapes, squares, triangles, or strips. Strain or paint them in different shades, grays, blues, or natural tones. Then glue them into a cheap plywood backing into a cool pattern. It looks like high-end reclaimed art. A piece of made for free scraps depending on its size and complexity. People's love that rustic textures look. And other popular items is the tired plant stand or simple table riser. Plants are huge right on now, and people need stylish ways to display them. A small three-legged plant stands or a simple eleved wood block can be made from a few narrow piece of wood. They are small to build, required very small little materials, and tap into the huge houseplant market. A quick coat of paint or stain and you have a stylish piece of ready to sell for. Finally, let's talk about high demand functional items. These are small, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.